After meeting today, the mayors of the GTHA have come to a consensus. They are calling on the province to take a regional approach to making masks mandatory in indoor public spaces, especially in large urban settings. So that would mean all of the businesses behind me would require customers to wear a mask before entering. It is something that has been debated throughout this pandemic, and today we spoke with the mayors of 5 municipalities about why they say this is a critical piece to preventing a second wave. If the province doesn't take that step to mandate masks, is that something you would do on the local level?
So I think naturally it would be great if the government of Canada or the province of Ontario took this initiative, but I think it's fair to say a number of mayors are growing restless.
Many of the mayors are on side. Our preference is this be done by the premier at the provincial level, but if not, then we'll certainly be willing to take steps at the local level.
Why do you want the directive to come from the province as opposed to having municipalities decide for themselves?
We think there would be more uniformity across the region of the GTHA. It also gives it more authority.
If they don't do it, then obviously we're going to have to take whatever measures we can at the local level. But the most effective would be a provincial order. For us, we do want to see more of the economy opening up.
We can't just look at the short term. What we've got to look at is also the second wave coming in the fall, and we need to be ready. I think we have to use whatever methods we can.
If you have a mask, it changes the dynamics. It protects others.
Wearing too much mask is unhealthy, so there's a risk, there's a downside there. But absolutely we need leadership, either among our politicians or our public health authorities, to say yes, mandatory masks in preparation for the second wave, shopping, transit, and elevators.
So, happening tomorrow, this item will be debated at Toronto City Council, and the mayors of Mississauga and Brampton will be holding a press conference regarding this topic. So a lot more to come in the coming days. It's also important to note that some cities have already made masks mandatory on public transit, like Toronto and Brampton. That rule will come into effect in July.